pelaj Menteri Rangba Gejala Konrad K Sangma ya kamang tingka kabalong hajar pokhandai klor tingka batai ya kirukom ban pentrekam bala ai kerteng commission 10 baro kijing mentoy bala ai ya ki justice bat kinong bishar kidei ki bala baha katkum ka an chong ka yeng dorbar parliament ong ka menteri badai khmi ya katanat an ikong amprin lengdo kamat bayadei bat kaching khang khardep no ya kamamlu chera cement limited kadang don hapadeng gajing khmi benia ong usambut menteri rangba gejala iba sniaw bhalang dhar bat pdi menteri katanat kakoi kakhia ka sarkar pedeng u Dr. Mansuk Mandavia ya ka regional consultative workshop ki khubor ki babnia Menteri Rangba Du Kari Narendra Modi, bat Menteri Rangba Du Kari Greece, Kyriakos Mitsotakis, henne kasngi kila penlong ya gajing kren hanong ba Delhi. Hadian chong gajing kren, Menteri Rangba Du Kari ulaong babaro arteli kiri kila menjur ban kentio arsha ya gajing day paralok hakakam khayi pateng hashwa chong usnam hajar pulai. Ulaong ba layakren halor ki benta bat thamai ki bakantop na du karep karyang kadawa dashin bat kitiar ajing sumar ki kor ki bor ki jing sedang thamai kaching kantiu ya ki jing pentebit ya ki kam bat halor ki kam hau ulaong ba kaching penmi ya kitiar kanlong ka ba ajing mentoy ya baro ari habakren hakani kasngi Menteri Rangba Du Kari Greece Kyriakos Mitsotakis ulaong ba baro arteli kiri kela penpau ya kijing terang ban beteng bat kentiu ya kacing day paralok. Kum kasin jam kabakongsan bat ru kacing dap shiposnem jong kajing yo sensyar ka sarkar MDE ha usnem hajar pupra. Menteri Rangba Gejala Konrad K Sangma ula pelaj ya kamang tingka kabalong hajar pokhandai klor tingka da kababatai halor kirukom ban pentrekam bala ai kerteng commission 10 kamang tingka kabala wanra na kabenta usnam hajar posau bat posan kapenpau ya ki kam bat kijing bha ki banyarap ya Gejala Meghalaya ban keu hakaliang kayo kakon kamang tingka ni ka deficit budget balamang banyo baro kalong hajar nyau po klor tingka rengkat kejing mi balamang banyo kabalong pulai hajar sanspa khatsan klor tingka bat ka capital received kabalong lai hajar sanspa sanpo nyau klor tingka kejing dut jingsap baro balamang kalong po nyau hajar nyau po klor tingka rengkat kejing lut nagijing mi kabalong khat khandai hajar henriu spa san pulai klor tingka bat ka capital expenditure kabalong nyau hajar saus pa khat khandai klor tingka Menteri Rangba Gejala ulaong baka mission 10 kalalong karukom trekam kabala penwandur ban penpoy ya kayo kakot ka Meghalaya syaka $10 billion hashwa usnam hajar pupra ka mission 10 kan itu ya kabenta kabakongsan kiban kentiu ya karoy kapar kiban penslur ya gijing bay pisa ban penyas no hakitang ban wanra cingkala hakicakasor ban kentiu ya katanat IT bat ITES ban penyo nong arsha ya kinogreb na lor kiway
through better performance on centrally sponsored schemes, attracting investments through externally aided projects, improving states' own resources and revenues, and careful management of state finances. For 2023-24, the budget estimates for the scheme were 1,003 crores. I am pleased to inform this August House that we have already got approvals for 1,987 crores, close to double the budgeted amount.
Unong thau an kaseng Congress ubana umsning I Dr. Celestine Lengdo labu I kejingkali kentup ha kayeng dorbar menta kasngi bat ula kali ba hatu kinong bishar kibala syong thaj kendang beteng banyo ching mentoy kum ki VVIP haba jubab ya kani ka menteri ka badai khmi ya katanat an ikong amprin lengdo ila ong ba baro kini gijing mentoy kibala ai shakihe nong bishar bat kinong bishar kidei kibala ai katkum ka an chong kayeng dorbar parliament ila ongru ba kadai ka kamram jong ka sarkar jela ban yale ban penne ya ka kardan jong ki nong bishar.
One secretarial assistance under domestic help allowances, Chief Justice 50,000 per month, judges 40,000 per month. 2 medical facilities, sir. Full medical reimbursement as applicable to the sitting judge under the Meghalaya Medical Attendance Rules 2021 in all empaneled hospitals.
My supplementary question is, do the retired judges continue to be VVIP after retirement?
Honorable Speaker, sir, all of these facilities accorded to justices and judges of the High Court are mandated by an Act of Parliament, sir. We are committed to these obligations. And further, sir, several Supreme Court judgments have also recommended for these necessary interventions.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Gajala iba sniaw bhalang dhar ila ong ba ya kamat ban khang khredep no ya kamamlu Chera Cement Limited kadang don hapdeng ka jingkhmi benia da ka sarkar ula pentep ru ba kidon ars pa nyopo prangut kinong trei kiba trei hapo jongka MCCL haba ai jubab ya kijingkali ka balabu da u MLA kanong krem iba ardent besayamot usambut Menteri Rangba ula ong ba nadu balas dang ya ka dry process house nam arhajar arpau hadu mentah kani ka karkhana kalakhang lupa ulaya thu ba ka sarkar kala dep penlong ya bun teli kijingalang bad u Menteri Rangba gajala harengkat bad u MLA bad u MDC ka than usiem sora nalor ki wedi kinong don benta bad u kermen ba hapo ka henriu benai ken sala ban shim ya karai ka bakhadu.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to star question 57. A. Sir, the matter is to close down the Mamlo Chera Cement Limited plan. Arsora is under examination by the government. B. Sir, the total number is 278.
May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister the amount spent by the government to build the new dry process in the MCCL?
No, Mr. Speaker, sir. The dry process, it was so many items are there and huge amounts. So actually, that particular information is not me, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I require notice by that. What is the amount details spent on dry process? Yes, as of now, the plan is running by dry process.
Habayathu Shapang ka Chingte ya ka Captain William Sangma State University. U Menteri Katanat Pulia Putih u Rakam e Sangma. Ula ong ba ya ka Chingte ya ka Administrative Block, Academic Block, bad ya ka hostel na ka benta ki khana shinrang bad kantei lala ban pendep. Bad la pelat ya san phopra tali ki pos ki ba kantop ya ka pos u Vice Chancellor bad Registrar. Haba chubab ya ki jingkali u Menteri Katanat Pulia Putih ula ong ba kapisa baro kabala penlut ha ga jingshna kalong khatn riu point khandai phom riu klur tingka bat ladap ban mangsa san point nyau phom nyau klur tingka na ka benta ki surok bat ki wei ki kam.
So the status of Captain William Sangma State University is number 1, construction of administrative block and academic block is completed. So number 2, construction of boys and girls hostel completed. Number 3, sir, 58 poles has been sanctioned, including by Chancellor and Registrar. Speaker, sir, so the total amount spent on construction of the infrastructure is 16.96 crores. The campus area of Captain William State University is 100 acres of land.
Kajala Meghalaya hinin kasngi kala sakhi ya jingple ya ka program na ka benta kinong yo jingbentoy na ka PM Swanidhi hapo ka Rashtriya Udyamita Vikas Pariyojana kabadai ka project balapanyaj da katanat skill development and entrepreneurship. Hagaju kapor la pleru ya kani ka program Bhopal, Kanpur, Indore, Varanasi, Bharatpur, Sirchar, Dibruka bat Guwahati lengba ka video conference. Haba ai chingkren shakinong pathai khubor uba banshai marbanyang ula ongba kani ka scheme kadai na kabenta kinong de madan buan na kinong de madan has nongba shilong kim tip lat kim tip lenti kumno banyo jingarap na kani ka scheme haba kren bat uway na kinong yo jingmentoy ula ongba kani ka scheme kala ai jingarap shibun bat ulaya thu ba ulayo jingtip shapang kani ka scheme na ka Shillong Municipal Board.
This scheme is mainly purpose for the street vendors. As we have seen during these days, many of the street vendors here in the state of Meghalaya, especially in Shillong, that's why we are bringing the scheme from the Ministry of Skills and Development, and also from the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs from the Government of India. Street vendors during these days, they're having lots of problems, especially during their families. In their families, they feel a lot of issues.
So this scheme has helped me a lot. So I got a third term loan, that is the amount of 50,000. And I got the information regarding this scheme from the Shillong Municipal Board. So when I was searching for ways on how to get funds to grow my business, so that's when I came across this scheme. I went to the Shillong Municipal Board and I asked them if there's any help that I can get to grow my business, any funds that are available. So they introduced me to this PM Swanidhi scheme. So I'm very thankful to the Shillong Municipal Board and also the government of Meghalaya and the government of India as well.
Menteri Katanat Karep Karyang u Arjun Munda henne kasngi ula ong baka sorkal kala penkre banyathir ya buntli ki mat ki bakanthop ya ka jingdawa ya ka MSP ka jingpenmi ya ki jingthong ba pher kamat bayade bat ki jingthong baladep ot bat ka jingakren ringkat bat ki nongrem ki bala penlong ya ka jingaki ha ka bayade bat ki khubor bala penmi ha ka rensan social media umunda ulakhot lawer ya ki nong ya lang chong ka ken huan ki nongrem ban penlong jingakren ha ka sien ka basan ulakan turu ya ki nongrep ki bala penlong ka jingaki ban pen don ya ka sukasan kumcu ka sarkar pedeng kalabatha ya ka sarkar Punjab ban buat renti ya ka an bat ka hukum ha ka bayade bat ka jingaki chong ki nongrem katkum ka khubor balayo lum layathu ba katanat ki kampo ieng jong ka sarkar pedeng kalapha ya gijing ai chingmut sha ka sarkar jalla halor kani ka benta lapenlong ya ka jialang jong ka Corps Commander level meeting ba arphway ha pedeng ke India ba China ha chushul mul do border meeting point ha ka khat khandai tarik menta ubanai katanat ki kam bari ha gajing yakren kala ong ba ha gijing tai badang shen ka kwa ya gijing don benta ha gijaka badang sa ha shilenter jongka LAC ka phang ba shatei jongka ladak na ka benta banwanra ya ka sukasan ha ki thain khaput jongkari India ba China kini ki arliang mamla ki layasam yala ki jing ai jing mut katkum gijing sngotu jongki halor kani ka benta kini baro ari kilaya menjur ban penne ya kejia kren nang ni shakman Menteri Katanat Health and Family Welfare u Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ulapli ya ka Regional Consultative Workshop halor ka Research Priority for Providing Accessible and Affordable Healthcare for the Northeastern States of India lengba ka video conferencing menta kasngi layadon benta langru ke Dr. Bharati Praveen Pawar kabadai ke Menteri Khana Katanat Health and Family Welfare bat I Dr. Maisel Amprin Lengdo ibadai Menteri Katanat Health and Family Welfare ke Sarkar Meghalaya kani ka workshop kaba arsni la penjait lang Shillong da ka Department of Health Research Katanat Health and Family Welfare ka Indian Institute of Public Health bat ka Indian Council of Medical Research Regional Medical Research Center hakani kasngi u Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ula pliru ya ka yo bat ula pelaj ya ka program halor ka Health Economics and Technology Assessment ha IIPH Shillong
skill sets that are required for doing soundproof room. And it's very dates that have high expectations from your generation.
प्रधानमंत्री श्री मोदी जी ने स्वस्थ भारत, विकसित भारत का स्वप्न देखा है, जिसमें सरकार का यह प्रयास है कि देश के प्रत्येक नागरिक को समय पर गुणवत्तायुक्त स्वास्थ्य सुविधा मिले। स्वास्थ्य सुविधाएं और दवाइयां आसानी से एफोर्डेबल, एक्सेसिबल और अवेलेबल बने।
Mentang ini pej ya kejing long jing man kasin beneng hanong ba shilong. Kejing shit kalong khat pra point lai degree Celsius, but kejing kriat kalong shipho point san degree Celsius. Kejing sngam ka hau kalong san po lai na ka shispa men step, but san po nyo na ka shispa jan min. Kala bandan kejing hap slap ka ba mulu mala hakikat tu kat ni gijaka. Shwaban poi shakabakut jong katop kubor yin ya pet biang sa shisien ya kimat bakongsan. Yakren Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi bad Menteri Rang Badu Kari Greece Kyriakos Mitsotakis Hanong Ba Delhi. Pelaj Menteri Rang Ba Gajala Konrad K Sangma ya kamang tingka kabalong Hajar Hokndai Klur tingka Bataya kirukom ban pentrekang bala ai kerteng ka mission 10. Baro kijing mentoy bala ai ya ki justice bat kinong bishar kidai ki bala baha kat kum ka an jong kayeng dorbar parliament. Ong ka menteri badai kmi ya katanat an ikong ampri ning do. Kamat bayadei bat kijing khang khardep no ya kamawlo Chera Cement Limited kadang don hapadeng kijing kmi benya Ong usambut Menteri Rangba Gajala iba senyau halang dhan. Bat beli Menteri Ketenat Kakoi Kekia ke Sorkar Pedeng Dr. Mansuk Mandavia ya ke Regional Consultative Workshop. Te paralog kat tungila poi syaka bakut jong ketup kubor jengi mentah gajan miet haduk bangin daya syembiang bat pi la syai kesngi kublai pi baro.
Were put in place so that the visiting people could enroll for Chief Minister Jan Arogya Yojana immediately. He said that this initiative aimed at ensuring guaranteed health services to the people.